Hello, do you know how to work out this Olympiad maths problem? Do you know that 99% failed to work it out? So I want us to work it out within the shortest time possible. So let's now begin with the solution. So on our solution, this one is what we have. 5 to the power of m minus 2 is equals to 50. So remember to watch this video up to the end. So before we start working it out, I'll request you to just pause the video for a while, work it out, then from there share with us the answers that you've got on the comment section. So let's now start by now confirming your answer. So how do you work out this? So in this case, 50 is a whole number, 5 is a base, m minus 2 is an index. So for us to change this 50 to the base of 5, now we shall have to introduce the log from both sides. So in this case, now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of m minus 2 is equals to the log of our log of 50. So the first step that we need to do, suppose we have something like the log of p to the power of m. So this one shall be worked out as m, the log of p, or we can change it into this form. So let's now change the log of 5 to the m minus 2 in the form of m log p. So here now we shall have m minus 2, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 50. So from there, we need now to divide both sides by the log of 5. So all over the log of 5. So this side, we shall also have all over the log of 5. Okay, so meaning that we shall now have m minus 2. So m minus 2, because the log of 5 and the log of 5 could have cancelled each other, is equals to the log of 50 all over the log of 5. So at this stage now, let's now work out the log of 50 all over the log of 5. So now our m minus 2 is equals to the log of 50 can also be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 10. We put the bracket all over the log of 5. So suppose we have something at like the log of p and n. So this one shall be written as the log of p plus the log of n. So in short, we can now change the log of 5 multiplied by 10 as, so this one now shall have m minus 2 is equals to the log of 5 plus the log of 10 all over the log of 5. So in this case now we shall end up with an equation like this. By now we shall be forced to have the log of 5 independently, then all of them we shall divide by the log of 5. So this one is how it is done. So we shall now have m minus 2 is equals to, so the log of 5, we shall divide it by the log of 5, then plus the log of 10, we shall also divide it by the log of 5. So now our m minus 2 is equals to, so m minus 2 is equals to the log of 5 and the log of 5 cancel, so now we shall remain with 1 plus now the log of 10 all over the log of 5. So our m minus 2, so now we shall now have m minus 2 is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 10 now shall also have 5 multiplied by 2 all over the log of 5. So m minus 2, in this case m minus 2 is equals to 1 plus, now we shall have the log of 5 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So m minus 2 again, so our m minus 2 is equals to now 1 plus, so the log of 5, so we shall divide also by the log of 5 plus the log of 2, we shall also divide by the log of 5. So m minus 2 now is equals to, so we shall now say that our m minus 2 is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 and the log of 5 cancel, so we shall have 1 plus 1, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So here now m minus 2 is equals to, so 1 plus 1 is 2, then plus the log of 2, all over the log of 5. So as we conclude, we shall now say that assuming we have the log of k all over the log of p, so this one can also be written as k. So here now we shall have k, or we can talk about k to the log of so this one now shall have, so the log of k all over log p now shall have the log of k to the base of p. So let's now change this by now say that m minus 2, so m minus 2 now is equals to, m minus 2 is equals to 2 plus, now shall have the log of 2 to the base of 5. So finally, because we now need to have m on this other side, so we shall now be able to move this minus 2 to this other side. So now our value for m is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. So because we have minus 2, when it crosses the equal sign, we shall have plus 2. So now this one now shall be the correct value for m. So we can now confirm this answer. Suppose we get, you happens to get this answer. So let's now confirm it. So our problem was 5 to the power of m minus 2, which is equals to 50, which is equals to 50. 5 to the power of m minus 2 is equals to 50. So where this m we shall be able to write. So now we have 5 to the power of, so now we shall now be able to write 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5 plus 2. So don't forget this minus 2, all is equals to 50. So let's now rearrange it properly by now having 5 to the power of 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. Then this one is 2 minus 2 is 0, so we don't need to write anything. It's equals to 50. So here now 5 to the power of 2 is just like having 5 multiplied by 5, and that is 25. It's 25. So the plus shall now change to multiplication. So here now the log to the base of 5 shall now cancel with 5. So now we shall remain with 2 on this other end, is equals to 50. So 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. So now we shall have 50 is equals to 50. So meaning that we are very correct when we say that the answer to m, so our m is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5 plus 2. So now this one is the value for m. So if it happens to work out that equation correct, shall end up with this answer. So let's stop there and see you in our next video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.